Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Suraya. In this video, we are going to discuss remove duplicates in Excel. Remove duplicates deletes duplicate rows from selected column or columns and returns unique record. Remove duplicates does not work if number formats are different. If the number format is different, it will assume it is not a duplicate. So the number 50 and 50.00 will be seen as unique and not deleted. Let's try it out in Excel. This table contains duplicate records which I have colored purposefully so that it will be easier to understand. To remove duplicate, we have to select any cell from the table. Then in Data tab, we'll get option Data Tools, and here you will get the option for Remove Duplicate. Click on that option. A dialog box is appeared. Here, don't forget to check this box. My data has headers because our data contains columns or headers name. In the columns, you will get column names that is present in our data set. We can check or uncheck in this checkbox to select based on which column we want to remove the duplicate. Let's remove the duplicate values based on employee name. Select that column, then click OK. For duplicate values found and removed, 11 unique values remain. Note that counts may include empty cell, space, etc. Okay, here you can see all the duplicate records have been removed based on employee name. Let's undo this and go to remove filter option, and let's remove the duplicate records based on employee ID. Select employee ID column, then click OK. Here you can see both these values are same, but the first one contains a decimal value and second one does not contain the decimal value. For that reason, remove duplicate didn't remove this value because remove duplicate does not recognize numerical data which are different formats. We can also remove duplicates based on multiple columns. For that, we have to select a cell, then go to data, then data tools, then remove duplicates, and we can select multiple columns from here. Let's select the employee name and department name, then click OK. Here you can see duplicate records have been removed based on employee name and department name. That's all for this video. Thank you.